beef jerky, carne asada, Doritos, chili, some shit. I don't know. Sorry, the tent stunk last night.
What?
The tent smelled like fart.
Ew, what? Fart?
It was Stacy.
What? You're lying. I'll probably you. What? What? You're the one who don't snore, and you do snore. I don't snore. You were snoring. You were snoring last night. No, I wasn't.
One of you guys breathes hard. I don't know who what. It's like
I pull my mouth when I sleep.
I was like, what the hell? It sounds like a pump or something.
It wasn't me. Yes, it was. You're right next to me. I was sitting with my face down.
That doesn't mean shit.
Well, you're gonna hear me.
Oh yeah.
Blame it on me. I don't snore. I did not. I didn't. That's always been me.
Is what?
That's always been that stuff.
That snores?
Yeah.
I don't know. Today we'll record. So we'll see.
Okay. Oh, my God, it was you.
What's that? Stacy almost fell.
It wasn't me. Yes, it was.
Alright.
Alright.
We made it.
You should have come out of here yelling. Like, are you running out?